I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Yes I am, yes I am, yes I am. I'm the man.
Hello everybody, I'm Jacob Kurtenbach with themanservices.com, and today we're going to do some painting. Who loves painting? But anyhow, here we go. These are all the different things that you're going to need for painting. Fuzzy camo shorts, some boots, nice shirt, you need a step ladder or a tall ladder depending on, how tall the ceilings are. See, this is great. I can get right up in there, get my cut in line. Whoa, careful there. Safety, it's no accident. Alright, then we're going to need a scrape down blade. This is to ensure any areas a little bit high, knock those things down. Need a trash bag for any trash that you might, come across. You're thinking, hey, I'm painting, where's the trash? Well, you also need blue tape, and blue tape goes along the baseboard in order to prevent splatter from when you're painting. You need a flathead screwdriver. This is to open your can of paint and also take off switch plate covers. A razor blade, so if the person before you put on, caulking around the switch plate covers, then you can cut it off and you won't rip off a bunch of the other paint or the wall, so that's nice to have. Phillips head screwdriver in case there's any screws in the wall that you might need to get out. And then once you get them out, you need some filler. This is the best filler to use that I found. It's patch and paint lightweight putty. It's real simple. You use your finger and go in the holes. We'll cover that in the next video. You need a roller. Look at that. Look at that action. Yep, working great. Alright. And then we need a paintbrush. You want to use a high grade paintbrush. I prefer a 2.5 paintbrush for cutting in. It works really good. It's easy to get into the dipper. Oh, where's the dipper? The dipper isn't here. But anyhow, these are dipper covers. So these are your paint pail liners, and you'll dip in this, and then that'll allow you to hold the paint, not like a whole gallon of paint, and be up high cutting in. So you either want to get a Wooster Pro, the bristles are really nice on these, or you want to get a putty brush. You can check this out. It's got some good jiggle in it. Really like that jiggle, And then you're also going to need a roller handle. This gets put on your paint roller like so. So you can really, get the whole wall in one stroke. Then you're going to need some rags. It's good to have some extras. I usually like to have one wet and one dry rag. And I usually hang them out of my pockets like this because they're like really cool. And yeah. And then you need a paint pail to, hold your paint. And then I have customized this paint pail with a piece of 2x4 to keep it up off the ground so the paint won't run out, which is really important because you don't want paint everywhere. You're also going to need Rawling because it's Rawling's birthday. He's got his hat on. Oh my gosh, he just broke his hat there. He's got his safety gear because, you don't want any paint in Rawling's eyes. But anyways, Rawling's a thing of the past. We're talking about painting. So, you need a tape measure. Just because tape measures are cool, why wouldn't you need a tape measure? And then you need paint. Here's some paint. Got the purple. Maybe it's for Rawling's birthday. Maybe it's for the one I love. Who knows? We'll find out in later episodes. You need a stir stick. Proper size for the paint can. That should do us pretty good. You want something like a box or just like a piece of newspaper just to set your stir stick in when you're done mixing your paint. And you need a 4-pack of rollers in case you're really awful at painting. That way, you can just go ahead and keep changing them out. We're going to learn a couple tricks with the paint rollers, how to not get sticky stuff all over the walls and get it off of the rollers. So it's fuzzy stuff, sticky stuff, you know, who's keeping track. So paint pan liners and then caulking. You'll also need a caulking gun. That's also not here, so that's why we're doing this video, just to make sure that I have everything that we need, which so things that we still need is the paint pail and the caulking gun, which you will see in the next episode. And you also need a perfectly folded drop cloth because, you know, yeah, anyhow, there we have it. We're gonna go ahead and get those two other things we need, and then we'll be back and get started with painting. So I hope this helped you. You can find all of this on my Amazon store, and have a great day. Stay tuned. Jacob Kernbach with themanservices.com.
I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Yes I am, yes I am, yes I am. I'm the man.